A smile is a sign of comfort. At EON Clinics, we focus on helping you get rid of the pain from cracked or missing teeth or denture soreness.
Dental implants have made me feel more comfortable in so many arenas.
Our dental implants fit comfortably and perfectly in your mouth. They are the permanent option that feel and function just like natural teeth.
As far as pain is concerned, it's not painful at all.
Invest in relief. When your jaw heals, you'll be able to eat and chew the food you miss.
There is no comparison of what you can eat. You can eat anything and everything that exists under the sun.
I have 3 grandchildren, and they've even mentioned they love my smile.
Allow EON Clinics to help you achieve a more comfortable smile. Call 844-365-SMILE or visit our website at eonclinics.com.